I'm going to give you 10 great home gym hacks. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 10, do more in your downtime. You don't need to put on sneakers, set aside 60 minutes, and get ready for an intense workout if you don't want to. Instead, think about how you spend your downtime and how you can make that downtime more active. If you spend free time watching Netflix 24/7, consider turning off the TV and spend that extra time in ways that are not only better for your body, but more fulfilling for you. Number 9, use everyday objects as weights. You don't need to invest in an at-home full set of weights if you don't want to. Instead, get creative using objects you have laying around your home as a way to challenge the body with a little more weight than using body weight. For example, try bridge lifts with a heavy coffee table book, soup cans for bicep curls, or plastic milk bottles for goblet squats. You'll get the same challenge that comes with weight training without actually needing weights. Number 8, fit movement into your workday. Just because we're glued to our phones and computers all day doesn't mean we can't get creative with fitting in some exercise. Take a walk around the block while answering calls or taking meetings. Sit on a yoga ball instead of a chair to engage core and leg muscles. Walk on a treadmill while answering emails. Stand up while working instead of sitting. Put your laptop on a counter. Or if all else fails, get yourself one of those nifty elliptical desks. Number 7, eliminate distractions. When you do set aside some time to get your body moving, it can be difficult to get in the zone in your own house. You start checking your phone, notice the messy dishes piled up in the sink and feel tempted to clean, or just long to sit on the couch, especially if it's only 5 feet away from you. Put your phone on silent or leave it out of the room altogether. Tidy up the area beforehand and put on a Pump It Up playlist to help zone out any noise. Number 6, make good use of your TV time. Consider stretching or doing some light yoga whenever watching TV to keep the body moving while enjoying your favorite shows and movies. You can even use TV time as your workout if you're lacking motivation to set aside time for it alone. For example, hold a plank on commercial breaks, do 20 jumping jacks before every new episode, or put on a movie or show with a killer soundtrack and dance along with your favorite songs. Number 5, schedule workouts ahead of time. It's important to create a schedule so you follow through with workouts, but it's even more important to be realistic about it. Don't set your alarm for 5:30 a.m. for a workout if you typically wake up 5 minutes before your workday starts. And don't add in a 60-minute block every day if you know you're busy all day. Once you find the schedule that works best for your lifestyle, add it to your calendar and honor that schedule like you would any work meeting or appointment. Number 4, schedule small bursts of movement. You don't have to do your workout for the day all at once. Even 30 minutes of movement doesn't have to mean 30 minutes at one time. Instead, you can fit in 6 5-minute periods throughout the day. If it's difficult for you to find time, try a 5 to 10 minute workout. Everybody has 5 to 10 minutes, and then layer a couple different ones throughout the day. Number 3, dedicate a workout spot. Whether your home is big enough for a fully equipped home gym or you're in a tiny studio apartment, designate one spot as your workout area. Whether that means utilizing a random corner of your home or just putting down a yoga mat when it's time to work out, changing up your environment from work time, sleep time, or relaxation time will get you in the right mindset. Number 2, make workout clothes your work-home uniform. While it's utterly tempting to lounge in knit sweatpants or stay in your pajamas all day, one of the perks from working at home, try changing into workout clothes first thing in the morning. You know the saying, dress for the job you want, not the job you have. The same goes true for working out. Dress for the way you want your day to go, not the way your day is currently going, especially if you're feeling lazy or lethargic. Slick workout gear may be more motivating than you realize. Number 1, keep up with your healthy habits. One of the most common reasons we give up on workout routines is because we don't see ourselves as the kind of person who keeps up with a workout routine. Boost your overall confidence by making small changes like keeping a full bottle of water with you at all times to increase hydration, ordering a side salad with your takeout, or always taking the stairs. making a bunch of small habits can help you stay motivated to keep up with your fitness goals. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to find out the 10 best health and fitness magazines. That's it. That's all. See you next time.